सर ड्रग्स केस किती तुम्ही ट्रेस केलं?
Amit, today we have registered one NDPS narcotics case, and we received information from the reliable sources that one person is supposed to come at Colva to deliver some narcotic substance. Accordingly, we informed to our superior. It is the information to the superior, and as per the directions from the high level, I formed my team and deputed in that particular area where the suspected things of NDPS to be dealing will. Then immediately my team, my PSI Anil Krishna and PSI Manjunath Vandamare, and along with the staff, they caught red-handed one person accused, namely David Lotha. He's from Nagaland, and we found in his possession a gram of Ganja, 560 gram worth of 56,000. We conducted the Panchanama with them, conducted all the legal formalities, and brought him to the police station and placed under arrest.
सर बीच पेट्रोलिंग आणि दुसरे क्राईम कमी करपाक किती तुम्ही?
I mean, my area is approximately 30 kilometers stretch of the beach, and lots of tourists comes every day from all over India and also out of the countries also. Available staffs also, plus additional staffs also, SP Siddhant sir, SP संतोष देसाईंचा आमकां दिल्लो आसा, तेच्या प्रमाणे आमी सगळो स्टाफ आमी पुलीस स्टेशनाच्या एरियेन ज्या जाग्यार आमचे लोक क्रावड चड आसा बेनावलीम कोलवा थंयसर आमी पुलीस डेप्यूट केल्ले आसा टू अवॉयड एनी अनटुवर्ड इन्सिडंट.